Hey guys, how's it going? Here's your review video for your test that is tomorrow. If I were you, I would go through these problems first on your own and then see if your answers matches up with mine. If they do, then you know you're pretty good to go for tomorrow. So let's go ahead and get started. First it says to solve the inequality, so I'm going to do my train tracks on either side. Now 3 is times n, so to get that to go away, I need to divide by 3 on both sides. And 18 divided by 3 is 6, so my answer is n is greater than 6. Next one is 13 is greater than 5 plus n, so I'm always going to start with my train tracks. Here, I have a 5 that I need to get to go away because I just want n by itself. So the opposite of a 5 would be a minus 5 on both sides. 13 minus 5 is 8. Keep your sign. All you have left is your variable. Now, if you were to graph this, you would want to flip it to make it n is less than 8. But since we don't have to graph these ones, you can just leave it as 8 is greater than n. But one thing you need to do is make sure you show all of your work. So I should see one step here, 2 steps, and then the last step should be your answer for this problem. All right, so we have n minus 118 is 170, so I'm going to start with train tracks again. In order to get my variable by itself, I need to get that 118 out of the way. So the opposite of minus 118 is plus 118. Those cross out, so now I'm just left with my variable m. Then I have an equal sign, and then 170 plus 118 is 288. Now you can't graph these ones because they are not inequalities, they are equations. So there's only one correct answer, so it's 288. 287, 286, or on the other side, 289 and 290, those numbers would not work. All right, so here we need to solve, write, and graph an inequality. So it says 15 is no greater than the difference of a number and 18. So no greater than tells us that we need a less than or equal to sign. So when I'm rewriting this, I want to have 15 first, then my sign, and then the difference of a number. So I'm going to use x for a number, and 18, and then difference means subtract. So that is what my inequality is going to look like. Now I need to solve it. So I'm going to put my train tracks. I'll use a different color. I'm going to add 18 to both sides, get x by itself. 15 plus 18 is 33. So I have 33 is less than or equal to x, but since I need to graph it, I actually want to flip everything so that x is on the left-hand side. So I'm going to rewrite it as x is greater than or equal to 33. So now when I'm drawing my graph, which I will do down here, I'm going to have 33 in the middle, then 34, and here's 32. I know it is a closed at because it has this little or equals to down here. So I close down on 32, and then since I moved my variable, I can look at which way my sign is going and go that way. So I know I'm going to go to the right. All right, next one says to do the same thing. So it says the difference, which we know means minus, of a number, we'll use x, and 12 is more than, so more than, that's a greater than sign. So I'm going to have the difference of x and 12, so x minus 12 is greater than 19. Now to solve that, train tracks again, add 12 to both sides. These cross out, I'm left with x is greater than 31. Since my variable is on the left-hand side, I don't need to flip anything, so I'm just going to go ahead and graph this one. I will do pink this time. So, hold on. 31 is going to go in the middle, then 32, and then 30. And then this is going to be an open dot because it's just a greater than sign. And I'm going to go to the right-hand side. All right, here's another one where we need to write an expression to represent the situation. So it says a one-time join fee. That is a hint that that is the number that does not have a variable with it. So it's $8. So I know I'm going to have plus 8. But now I just need to figure out what goes in front of it. It says $3 for every mile. This word every, that's what tells you that the 3 and your variable have to go together. So my expression would be 3m plus 8. All right, if you're listening at this point, you have an opportunity for extra credit. If you are in, let's see, first hour, I want you to put a star on your paper. second hour, or sorry, fourth hour, you're going to put a circle. Fifth hour, you're going to put a square. If you're in sixth hour, you're going to put a triangle. And if you are in seventh hour, you're going to put two circles on the top left-hand corner of your paper for your extra credit. All right, let's move on. Next one says solve and graph the inequality. So I'm going to do my two train tracks on either side. I need to get f by itself. Right now there's a 5. So to get that to go away, I need to subtract 5 from both sides. 14 minus 5 is 9. And then I have f by itself over here. That kind of looks like a 5, but it's not. So to graph that now, let me get a graph pulled up. I'm going to have 9 in the middle. This is going to be 10. This is going to be 8. This is going to be a closed dot since it is less than or equal to, but I want to flip all of this so that it's easier to graph. So now this reads f is greater than or equal to 9, so I know that my arrow needs to go to the right-hand side. You can graph it based off this. It's just a little bit harder to see which way the arrow goes if you graph it. All right, last one. Let's see, so the sixth grade needs at least 150 to go to the park for a field trip. So far, they've raised 60, right, solve and graph an inequality. So I see the word at least, which means greater than or equal to. So I know that I need to use that sign. Hold on, let me make this box a little bit bigger. All right, so I know that I need to use a greater than or equal to sign. It says they need at least 150, so I know that's the total they need, so I'm going to put that on the right-hand side. So far, they have raised $60, so that's going to go on the left-hand side. And then I need to write and solve a graph of inequality. So I need to figure out how much more money they need to get the $150, so that's where my variable comes in. So I'm going to use x. And now I know that the money I need, like the money that I need to figure out, is going to have to be 150 minus 60. So the only way to get minus 60 on both sides is to make this a plus 60 now. So this is the inequality that I have. And then if I have to solve it, I'm going to put my two train tracks, subtract 60. These cross out, and now I'm left with x is greater than or equal to 90. So that's what I have to graph. So I'm going to put a line up here. I'm going to put 90 in the middle, 91, 89. This is going to be a closed dot because it's greater than or equal to. And then I'm going to go to the right because I need greater than or equal to $90 more to reach my total. All right, that's all I got for you. Please make sure you go through these problems. Good luck tomorrow.